Well, we ran into an issue with our Champion Power Equipment 3-inch wood chipper, gas powered. When we bought it, this hopper has 2 bolts, and this one just sheared off in the first run that we had. And so I contacted Champion. After the incident to see how their customer service was. Other than that one issue, I give them a thumbs up. They did a great job. Well, today, guess what? My new hopper arrived. It is exactly like the other one. Only difference is it doesn't have the sticker across the front. So I'd say their customer service and their warranty work is top-notch as well. Thanks to Champion Power Equipment, I can get to chipping again. Ralph Mann, Man's Outdoors. Till next time, guys.